What is a great leader to you? We say it's a visionary with the courage to think big and see things other people don't. Having a strong desire to grow other leaders no matter what their field. Leadership is about creating, contributing and nourishing relationships where both come out as winners. We aim towards making our partnership your win. Here at Insutech, we strive towards providing our partners with the highest quality products and services.
Using our 3 production facilities, we have the capacity to meet all production needs in a timely manner.
Our state-of-the-art Italian-made production line manufactures a wide range of APP and SBS modified bitumen membranes with a large variety of service finishes and carriers to serve your every waterproofing need.
Using the latest technology, we ensure that every roll leaving our facility is up to our clients and our own standards.
To complement our membrane production, we have additional high-tech manufacturing units, providing a range of waterproofing emulsions and primers, as well as extruded and expanded polystyrene thermal insulation boards.
Our commitment to quality has established us as a market leader in our field. Using our own in-house quality control lab, we are able to test all incoming raw materials, work in progress and final product. We provide actual batch test reports for every order delivered to our clients. With sales conducted in over 50 countries, we hold global trade expertise and the know-how to meet our clients' each and every need.
Our strategic international partnerships has made us grow to understand the importance of quality commitment and prompt delivery. Having Insutech's worldwide partners consider our production facility as their own.
To guarantee client satisfaction, we provide free consultations and customized technical insulation designs, ensuring that the application of our products is correct and utilized in the best way possible.
Here at Insutech, we think like leaders and enjoy being part of growth and major projects. As an innovative force within waterproofing and insulation solutions, we know the importance of quality results and successful investments. Insutech, making our partnership your win.